In this video, I will show you how to create a new Google Chrome profile. To get started, what you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and the first thing you want to make sure is that your Google Chrome is up to date. So to do that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and from here you want to come down and click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, if you come over to the left hand side, and at the very bottom you're going to see an option which says About Chrome. Give that a click. It's going to tell you if there's any updates available, in which case you want to relaunch your browser, and that's going to update Chrome. So once you've done that, as you can see, Chrome is now up to date. We can now start to add new Chrome profiles. To do that, what I'm going to do is come back to Google, and if you come up to the top right hand corner, next to the three dots, you want to click onto your profile icon. If you're not currently signed in, it's going to say sign in. So you just want to sign in with a Google Chrome profile. And then once you click this, you're going to get a window come up like this. Now on this menu, if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see an option to add a Chrome profile. Give that a click, and this way you can come to set up your new Chrome profile. So what you can do is sign in with an existing account, or you can continue without an account, which is going to work kind of like a guest account. So what you can do is give this a name. So I'm going to call this one example. And you can choose a color scheme if you want to as well. Once that's done, click onto done. And as you can see straight away, it's going to open up that new Chrome profile. What you can also do, if you come and click onto your profile icon, if you come down and click onto manage Chrome profiles, you can switch between your different Chrome profiles from here. And you can also delete existing profiles by clicking on the three dots on the profile you want to delete. You can also edit as well, or you can delete by clicking delete from here. So that's how to create a new Google Chrome profile. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.